Hello, good morning. I'm discussing about the analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry is that deals with the identification of compounds and mixtures, qualitative analysis, or the determination of the proportion of the constant, that is quantitative analysis. Techniques commonly used as titration, precipitation, spectroscopy, chromatography, etc. It is also defined as the chemistry discipline that studies the chemical composition of materials and develops the tools used to examine chemical composition. It involves wet lab chemistry as well as use of instrumentation. Analytical chemistry is important in science, engineering, medicine, and industry. It also defined as the definition of analytical chemistry is the examining materials by separating them into their components and identifying. Okay, it's all about definition of analytical chemistry. Thanks for watching. Thank you for your patience and all you request you all subscribe, like, share, and comments. Bye bye. See you again.